2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play 8 Days a Week by the Beatles. Cool. We have only one bar chord in the song, but if you're a beginner, it's a hard chord. Anyway, let's go over the chords for the verses and the choruses. Song is in D major. So we got a D major. First, second, third. E7. First finger, second finger. To G major. First, third, pinky. That's the main chords for the verses. Here's the strumming. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. The chorus. B minor. Got a bar second fret. 4, 4, 3. To G. B minor to E7. Back to D. E7. 8 days a week. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor. And then we have the bridge. 8 days a week. That's A major. 2, 3, 4. Days a week to B minor. And then E7. 8 days a week. G, G, G. A, A, A. Let's do that again. 8 days a week, A, B minor, E7, to G, 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 A, A, verse. Chorus. end with the intro, and the intro is D to D over E. So that's the same as a D, just move it up to 4 and 5. And then you play a G over D, which is 7 and 8. They might do it here. But that's what it is. It's D, E, G, D. You can play it lower too if you want to. Those full chords, D, E, and G. Cool? What an awesome, awesome song. Okay, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe. Take it easy.